Blessings and blessings from the beautiful Playa Vista, California. Today's transmission is about the law of detachment and how we get tested. So I just bought this brand new Escalade, white, beautiful. It's all kind of stuff I'm gonna do to it. And I was just on a panel, a YouTube panel with a guy named Eric Ho, Master Shuri, and Marissa Peer, and all these people. And we were talking about things, and I was saying how I've gotten to this beautiful place where I'm no longer attached to things, and how all of it is just materials. And I just had a business meeting with a partner of mine, and we were discussing, all the abundance that's come through in 2019 and all that's already happened in 2020. And after that meeting, I walked out and I saw that somebody hit my car. And the somebody who hit my car, I watched her pull off. I watched her, she looked at me, I looked at her, and I didn't know that she had done it. I saw her pulling off kind of fast. I got in my car, drove home, and then when I got out of my car, I was like, that's what she had just done. And so the lesson here, and the thing I want to sort of convey and sort of allow you guys in on is, initially I was really, really upset, like all kinds of stuff. And then, and this is the whole point of having a spiritual practice, I practice so much of letting go and not being attached to things and materials that instantly all the work that I have been doing for months and years and years and years just showed right up. And I got that, that doesn't make or break me. It sucks that someone did that, but that's her karma for running. That's her karma for choosing to not face off with it and be in integrity with the decision, the unconscious decision, or maybe call it conscious, whatever it was, to run and not own up and be responsible. And so I think it was like 10 minutes. And then I was like, I'll just pay for it and work it out. And, she'll pay for it if she believes that she was in the wrong. If she doesn't believe she was in the wrong, then she won't pay for it. But that's not my job, right? Like I'm not here to play God. And justice and fairness doesn't just happen on this plane and on these timelines that we have called a human experience. And so I just let it go, and happy again. So it taught me, in short, that my happiness isn't attached to, like deeply attached to, the materials that are in my life, because those things can come and go. As long as I have my family and my health and love, and I'm living my purpose, then I have everything I've ever needed. Blessings and blessings. Playa Vista. Peace.